What up? In this video, I want to go over the model editor and the detected model section. So let's get to it. Over here we have a list of all the detected models. If you click on one, you can change models. You can right click and you can go rename, remove, move to top, or move to bottom. If you click here, you can go previous and next, move down or move up and move down. If you click the add button, it brings up the original image. Okay, zoom in. And then you can box select a part of the model, hit make selection of model, and then click finish. There we go. I now have a new model from it. Right click, move to top. There we go. Next, we'll open the model editor, and that'd be a good time to show how to fix something like this, where you have two parts of the image that are merged. You go edit, and then you can go box select, select part of the model that you want to take off, and then you come down here and you have three choices. You can isolate, which will crop this part off of this part, and this part will be taken away and you'll be left with just what's in the box as a model. Make selection of model, which works just like in the add. It allows you to turn just this part into a model, but it'll still be connected to here as well. Or split model, and that will separate what's in the box from what's outside the box and keep both as individual models. And we'll do that right now. And then hit finish. There we go. Right click, move to top. There we go. Now go back into the editor one more time, and you can see that we have draw, fill, erase, resize canvas, and restore. So restore allows you to bring back parts of the image that were not brought in with the model. Like if you have parts that were not directly connected pixel to pixel of your model, but you want it to be there anyway. Well, I will show as an example how I can bring back the next guy over. Give me plenty of room to do that. Hit restore, and then I can just do this. And there we go. I'm getting it back, except I'm going to be missing part of his head, so I'll raise that up a bit more, and I will bring this to the side a bit more. Back to the restore tool. There's his head. There's the body. There's all that. There we go. I got the whole thing restored. Now I can hit finish, and there we go. I now have both of those parts together in one model. Go back into the editor, do something like draw, pick a nice red, change the pixel back down, or the brush size back down to 1 pixel. There we go. Give him some red eyes. There we go. Go ahead and hit finish, and just like that, they now have red eyes. And as you can see, it translated back to the original image as well. So any edits you do here, come over here. Any edits you do here, come over here. So they keep in sync with each other. Again, you can also come into here and save the full image with the edits. Or you can also edit and then save the image from here. So just individual images or the original image. That's about it for the editing models. So I will see you in the next one.